Today, I would like to introduce Paul Hannan, a distinguished educator and speaker with over 30 years of experience in self-improvement and sales. After his career in secondary education, he began marketing and facilitating workshops for renowned international speakers across Australia and beyond, training on 4 continents, including ANZ, Singapore, and the US. Paul has developed an online appreciation and marketing system with 500 distributors and partnered with sports star Ryan Girdler to launch Girdler's Signature Blend in Sydney's cafes and restaurants. He has created and led over 40 workshops in leadership, self-development, and sales, and has run outdoor training programs throughout the Asia Pacific. He also developed a successful travel industry sales training program in South Africa and facilitated impactful sessions for a major pharmaceutical summit in Singapore. Notably, his acclaimed indoor simulation, You Can Change Your DNA, has made a significant impact. Paul has worked with Camp Quality to enhance strategies for families affected by cancer and served as a board director for several years. He authored his first book in 2014 and is married to Anne-Marie, with whom he has 4 children and 8 grandchildren. Paul now offers 2 exciting online courses designed to transform your business and personal life: DNA Mindfulness and DNA Transformation. I highly recommend checking them out at mydnahub.club.